Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your password on your Varo Bank account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and download the Varo application if you haven't already. And in order to go ahead and download it, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this application, download and install it, and click on open. Now, in order for you to go ahead and reset your password, tap on login and click on this forgot password button right over here. And now all you need to do is just enter the email that is associated with your account. And once you enter the email, they're going to send a code to your email that you'll have to go ahead and enter back into this application, and it'll let you create a new password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next